Hi friends. In this video, I will show you how to change the white shirt color into black in Photoshop. First go to Select, then choose Subject. Good selection shows good work. If you don't know how to make a selection, then watch my This I button video. Watch till the end to see his result. I hope you liked it. Go to Select, then choose Modify. Now, click on Expand, and expand it at one number. Select number 1 layer. Go to Adjustment Levels. Now drag like this. Make sure to click on Clip Mask. When you satisfied, go to File menu and save it. Hope you liked it. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Your one subscribe is motivation for me.